In MySQL, when we want to create a pattern for our select or other queries, one of the most powerful and useful options that we have is using RegEx. RegEx stands for regular expressions, and it provides a pattern of characters and letters that actually is used in too many programming languages as well as SQL. In this video, I'll be giving you an example of using regex in a MySQL select command so you can get more familiar with it. But if you're interested in finding more about regex, you can do a research about it and find out more. Let's say that we have a table with some records in it and we want to create a pattern to search between the first names. We are interested in the records that have CO letters in their name, but before the CO, we want to create a pattern that accepts I and all letters. So to do this, we need to type select all or any field name from students where first name, since we are filtering the first name column, and here we need to type regex p as regular expression pattern, and inside a quotation we need to create a pattern. For the constant, the common part, we can just type them in simply, but for the variable part we need to type a bracket and mention the pattern, the variable parts inside the bracket. In this case we are looking for I and R that comes before CO. When I press enter, I give two records with CO and their first name that have a I or all letters before the CO. So this is the way that we can use regex in our select command. Of course, there are a lot of more use cases for using regex in our MySQL commands, and I seriously encourage you to have a research about this subject because it's a very useful and powerful tool to know about for MySQL and every other programmer.